In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NovelAI image generation. Now, the first thing you have to do here on their website, you want to click on Create Anime Art over here where it says that, so click on this button, and then here you'll be able to basically create your images. So to use image generation, it's actually very simple. First, you have to choose their model. Up here, as you can see, they have a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to select this first one over here. Then you have to give it a prompt here. So of course, you could do random prompt. So in case you don't have an idea, you could just click on randomize over here and it's going to give a random prompt. You can keep on clicking that. It's going to keep on leveling up the prompt, or you could also add in the prompt settings if you want to, or of course write it on your own. That's completely up to you. Now when you've done that here, you can go ahead and also add the undesired contact. So that's pretty much of course a negative prompt here, and you can use that if you want to. And over here you can also add a base image, which is optional. You can just click in here and then you can add it on like this. Now here you can also add in the characters if you want to, so we can go ahead and select the genders, stuff like that, and then over here you'll be able to basically go ahead and create your different characters via prompts. Now in here you can also use this vibe transfer, which will allow you to change the image but keep the vision, or you could also add a reference image for a character. So there's a bunch of different customizations you can do here. And the last thing over here is of course you can set image settings. You have different options. You have option of portrait, landscape, square. You also have different options for wallpapers, large, small, etc. So that's completely up to you, whichever one you want to select. And then last but not least, you can select how many images you want to create. So you can do 1, 2, 3, or 4 over here. Of course, it's going to cost a different amount of these tokens over here, of these credits, if you want to generate more than one. And then over here, as you can see, you'll be able to, of course, see kind of your aspect ratio of your image. Now, down here, you'll be able to also reveal these steps. So it's going to basically allow you to see how many steps it's going to take. And then here, the prompt guidance, which you can also play with. Here, if you have a seed, which is good for constant characters, you could also add in a seed. And then here, you also have a sampler. You could go ahead and play with these over here to see how it differs, of course, if you select a different sampler. Now these are of course more of the advanced settings down here, which is the prompt guidance rescale. You can play with that too if you want to. And then here you have the noise schedule, which you can also select the way you want it to be. When you've done all of this, you can then just go ahead and close this away, and then you can click on generate image, and it's going to basically generate your image, and that's how to use their image generation tool. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.